Drop the roof and let the smoke hit. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly do your crimps, because I know some people complain about like crimps taking so long to do, so I'm going to show you my quick and easy trick that I do. And I also count in my head, so I'm going to explain it to you in this video. But this is how this came out, and I literally did this in 8 minutes, literally. So I literally crimped this hair in 8 minutes, and look how good it looks. So yeah, today's video is a collaboration with Julia Hair. So Julia Hair did send me this body wave wig. I'm going to put all the links down below. I'm going to put the links down below and also all the correct specs. But this is Julia Hair. I did have this wig on for quite some time, so it probably has a little bit of buildup, but it's pretty good still. I can't complain. It's kind of lifting up a little bit. My room is hot because I had to take the AC down. Anyways, I digress. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to crimp your wig really fast. And yeah, let's get right into this video.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
Mama always told me to be careful who I love, and Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy, so I decided to write. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. And when I write them, he better get it on time. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. And when I write them, he better get it on time.
I gave you.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room, 'cause we couldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart changing. I'll take yours and they'll lead us. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I get one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end. It could just begin. If I get one wish, you'd be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I'll trust you. If I get one wish, we'd run away. Make love all day. Have us a baby. If I get one wish, I'll take you my whole life. Take you in my life. Take it right this time.
I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. And when I write them, he better get it on time.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world. fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest tonight. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you. True.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sis. And when she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You fool like the Highland breeze.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you are gonna try this trick. I feel like it's very essential if you're trying to do crimps. I don't like taking long when I'm doing crimps. That's just me, okay? So I hope this video did help you guys, and don't forget to check out Julia Hair. I will have the links to this wig down below if you're interested. It's not shedding or anything like that, and keep in mind I did have this wig on longer than I have my other wigs on, so I can tell you like it's pretty good for now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
If you gotta leave somebody, yes I'm dirty, yes I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say.